CC Rex. I come through on wheels because you know I get shit done. Free my homie Andy in the jails, punching young ones, he do that shit for fun. I watch half of the members switch they back on me, it's cool, they better run. These young sweet like honey buns. These young really turn they back on me when I already knew, because these young straight acting funny. This bitch asked me for $100 for a fucking hair. I said fuck no, that bitch had attitude like I fucking care. Still ain't been no broke, I got money on my debit. If they poppin' out in Western, they gon' up it like old dog. And you know how it could get poppin', so don't pop it for the show off. And you know we on your ass, so don't play ball, you gon' get smoked off.